another video. So today I will be sharing tips about when you go to audition. I went to an audition for a musical theater place, and I'm not going to disclose which one it is because I'm not sure if I'll get a call back yet. Tips about what you should and shouldn't do when you go to audition. Tip number one, when you're going to dance auditions, make sure you are not in the back. Do not go in the back. I don't care what you gotta do. If you gotta move throughout the dance to get to the front, make sure you get to the front. And if they ask you why you keep moving, say my place is in the front. You know, make sure that you're known and seen while you're doing these auditions, because you don't want to be left behind, literally left behind when they're doing cuts. Tip number two, do not stand next to your friends. Yes, it's nice to audition next to friends, but if you want to make it in this business, you have to make sure you go in, you go hard, and you are focused, you have a mindset as to what you want to do. Because you're going to be worried about if your friend is getting into it. Your friend is there auditioning. She or he knows it's a competition, and they're competing for a spot just as well as you are. So be aware, you can be friends, but when it comes to competition, you go in. Tip number three, do not sit down. I cannot stress this enough. Do not sit down during auditions. If you have a time to rest, you should be stretching. You should be going over routines. You should be doing movements. Even if it's not full out, you should be doing something, but not sitting down, because then they're going to look at you like, oh, you're lazy. So what if you get a call back, do rehearsal hours, you're going to be sitting down? So please do not sit down. Get to work. You're there to work, you're there to compete. Make sure that you know that what your goal is while you're there. So you want the judges are always looking at you, so do not sit down. So those are my tips. Hope you enjoy. See you later. Bye.
Voisin, y'a pas dans la joie.